Hello students, we are going to discuss about humidification problems. First problem, on a particular day in Chennai, the dry bulb temperature, that is dBT, and dew point dP of ambient air surrounding air were found to be 302 Kelvin and 291 Kelvin. dBT is equal to 302 Kelvin, dP is equal to 291 Kelvin. Barometer read 100 kilopascal. This is total pressure. P is equal to 100 kilopascal. Objective of this problem, so absolute molar humidity, that is HM, absolute humidity capital H, percentage RH, percentage saturation, humid heat CS, humid volume VH. So the data are given. Vapor pressure of water at 291 Kelvin, that is equal to 2.0624 kilopascal. Second data, vapor pressure of water at 302 Kelvin is equal to 4.004 kilopascal. Are you clear? Okay. The first step, so first identify the system. So this problem, air water is a system. Air is a gas, water is a vapor. Are you clear? Okay. So this is the first one. So second one, so the data are given. The two data are vapor pressure of water at various temperature. So always you consider at dBT is equal to vapor pressure. But here data are given, vapor pressure of water at 302 Kelvin. So our problem, so 302 is a dBT or dry bulb temperature. At dBT the values are vapor pressure. Vapor pressure notation PS, that is equal to 4.004 kilopascal. Are you clear or not? Okay. So another one data are given, vapor pressure of water at 291 Kelvin, that is equal to 2.0624 kilopascal. So what is this value? 291 Kelvin is nothing but that is dew point. What is dew point? Condensation temperature. So here at dew point, partial pressure is equal to vapor pressure. For the condition, you should take the vapor pressure is equal to partial pressure. So the PS is equal to 2.0624 kilopascal. But in data, vapor pressures are given. At dP, vapor pressure is equal to partial pressure. You should take capital PS equal to 2.0624 kilopascal. Are you clear? Okay. Basis of this problem, you should write system, air water system. Are you clear? Okay. Air is a gas, water is a vapor. So here air is the component B, water is the component A. So always you should take vapor is a component A, gas is a component B. Are you clear? Okay. So what are the given data? dBT is equal to 302 Kelvin, dP is equal to 291 Kelvin, capital P is equal to 100 kilopascal. So already you are familiar, at a dew point partial pressure is equal to vapor pressure. So here PA is equal to 2.0624 kilopascal. Are you clear or not? Okay, at dP. So the PS is given at dBT. PS is equal to 4.004 kilopascal. Are you clear or not? Okay. So they keep in our mind, at dBT the pressure is equal to vapor pressure. At dP partial pressure is equal to vapor pressure. Are you clear or not? Okay. So objective of this problem, so HM, H, percentage RH, percentage saturation, CS and VH. One by one we will discuss. Solution part, the first division, molar humidity. Molar humidity formula, HM is equal to PA by P minus PE. So PA and P are given data. Substitute here, find out the answer. Molar humidity 0.0 0.02106. The unit of molar humidity, kilomole of water per kilomole of dry air. So from our problem, so the air water is a system. So the air is a component B, water is a component A. Are you clear? Okay. So always you should take the vapor is a component A, gas is a component B. For our case, water is a vapor, air is a gas. So that's why the air is a component B, water is a component A. Are you clear or not? Okay. So always you should write water vapor or component A in numerator. So a gas or dry air or component B in denominator. Are you clear or not? Okay. Second division, absolute humidity. So the relation between absolute humidity and absolute molar humidity, H is equal to Hm into Ma by Mb. Are you clear or not? Okay. So from this expression, H is equal to absolute humidity, Hm is equal to absolute molar humidity, Ma is equal to molecular weight of water, Mb is equal to molecular weight of air from our system. Is it clear? So our problem, air water system, air is the component B, water is the component A. Are you clear or not? Okay. So the H is equal to Hm into molecular weight of water divided by molecular weight of air. So here Hm is known, already calculated value. From first division, take Hm value, substitute here, find out the answer. Capital H is equal to 0.0131, unit of absolute humidity, kg of water per kg of dry air. So one thing is very important here, molecular weight of air. Molecular weight of water is known, that is 18. Molecular weight of air, you take 28.8 or 29. Are you clear or not? Okay. Third division, percentage RH. Percentage RH formula, PA by PS into 100. Percentage RH is equal to, PA values are known, PS values are known, substitute here, multiply by 100. Finally we get 51.50. This is percentage RH. Fourth division, percentage saturation. Percentage saturation is equal to capital H by HS into 100. What is H? H is equal to absolute humidity. HS is equal to absolute humidity at saturation condition. Are you clear or not? Okay. So already we have capital H value. Now we are going to calculate capital HS. Then only we are going to calculate percentage saturation. Are you clear or not? Okay. So the what is HS? So the HS is equal to PS divided by P minus PS into molecular weight of water divided by molecular weight of air for our problem. Why? Because our system is the air water system. Are you clear? Okay. So the PS is known, capital P is known, substitute here. Molecular weight of water 18, molecular weight of air 29. Substitute here, find out the answer. HS. HS is nothing but absolute humidity at saturation condition, 0.02588, unit of saturation humidity, kg of water divided by kg of dry air. Are you clear or not? Okay. So here once you know the capital H and HS value, substitute in this formula, find out percentage saturation. Percentage saturation is equal to capital H by HS into 100. Finally we get 50.618, that is equal to percentage saturation. Next division, humid heat. Humid heat formula, CS is equal to 1.006 plus 1.84 capital H. So here capital H is equal to absolute humidity, already calculated value. Take that value, substitute here, find out the answer, humid heat. So 1.03. So the unit of humid heat, kilojoule per kg of dry air, Kelvin. Are you clear? Last division, humid volume. BH is equal to H by MA plus 1 by MB, 22.4136 into dBT by 273 into 101.325 divided by P. From this expression, VH is equal to humidity volume, capital H is equal to absolute humidity, already calculated value, take that value, substitute here. Capital MA is equal to molecular weight of A component. Which one is the component A? For our case, the component A is the water. So you substitute here the water molecular weight 18 plus 1 by MB. Which one is the component B here? Air. So the substitute air molecular weight 29 multiplied by 22.4136 into dBT by 273. So the substitute dBT in Kelvin 302 divided by 273 into 101.325 divided by capital P is given 100 kilopascal. Students, keep in your mind, capital P always substitute in this case in terms of kilopascal. Finally, we get VH is equal to 0.8846 meter cube per kg of dry air. So the meter cube per kg of dry air, unit of humid volume. Thank you for your attention.